What is up, everyone? It's me, Noobcraft here. So yeah, guys, today we'll be playing Islands. So yeah, this is my first video of playing Islands. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Yeah, this is of course my alt account, which means yeah, I'll be of course be playing it in an alt account because my main account when I play this game is literally garbage. So that's why I'm gonna do it in an alt account from now on. So yeah, let's start with mining a tree first. Yeah, I know what to do. I've been playing this game a lot. I'm just gonna craft myself a pickaxe, I guess. Oh, well, I already got some blocks, but alright. I'm gonna start myself with some stone. Okay, just let me... Jeez, I already know how to play this game. Okay, that's a failed bridge, but let's just... Oh, look, we just started with an apple tree. That's brilliant. Okay, and we got some wheat. Just go on my quest just in case. Yeah, I should of course put it somewhere instead of putting it there. Like, this ain't Paleolithic age. This is Neolithic age. Alright, so what's this? Okay, I guess I had to do like this, and then I'm gonna go like that, and then boom, we got wheat seeds. Man, this took me a while to make this, of course. I already made myself a tomato farm, wheat farm, I got 4 apples, and I also got some tomatoes and stuff. I don't know what's next, but I think the next thing we gotta do is to earn some money by selling these crops, but the only thing I wish for is to expand the whole land, like 200 times larger, more like 1,000,000 times larger, I guess. Sup, Farmer Cletus? I got all the good stuff for you. Alright. Let me first sell all the wheat. Dang, I'm so lagging. Anyways, let's go sell all of these. What else do I have? What else do I have? Well, I got tomatoes, so yeah, let's go sell all these tomatoes. Yeah, that's all I got from the farmer, just some coins. Anyways, let's go to the baker and see what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna fill the shop. Wait, I want to buy stuff, not about I don't want to know. I can't buy stuff. Bruh, the only thing I have to do is sell things to him, not buy stuff from him. By the way, I just got those potatoes, of course, while selling crops to Farmer Cletus. This is probably gonna take a while to make a whole island to yourself, like a house and stuff. Okay, and now let's put the potatoes somewhere. guess this side will be the house. Well, this place will be the farm. I mean, we need some more. We need like more space for every single. Yeah. Oh, whoops. All right. Now let's go. Plant these potatoes. Freshly new potatoes. Oh. Why are those? I think these tomatoes are like slow. Of course, like they can't even grow into. Oh, never mind. They are now officially turned into grown adults. But soon they are gonna became salads, of course. That are gonna be eaten by, of course, vegetarians. Well, I'm not a vegetarian, but I love eating salad. Alright, now let's go add the new one. There's some new wheat. Alright. As soon I continue farming, a loan of money come to me. Hey there, lovely cow. Want some wheat? I bet you do. Oh, there's a bee over there. It's Groovy the bee. I mean, that's Groovy's bee. Oh, I just got the wheat totem. That's brilliant. Anyways, I don't know what's next. Oh wait, we should of course make a cooking tape. Oh wait, we don't have an iron ingots, but are you serious? Nah, we can't get that, but at least we can get campfires. So yeah, so yeah, I've been like smelting iron, and I've been selling crops. I've been, of course, also been buying a ton of grass. I mean, that's the only thing I can buy, otherwise I'll be broke by Monday. Anyways, it's time that we expand everything, alright? Yeah, this is gonna take a while, so yeah, I'll cut, of course. Alright, first of all, let me go harvest some wheat. So yeah, I'm done expanding everything, and yeah, now look at this. How's the expansion? Is it great or is it bad? I mean, it doesn't really matter because that's what I only need. I need some expansion. That's the only thing to have rooms for farms and of course some houses. Also, I don't know how she get in there. And look at this new bridge, of course. If only I can get rid of the stone and replace it with grass. And yeah, let's go harvest some more crops. And then that's all for today's video. Alright. First of all, let me see how many iron I gained. Okay, that's a lot of iron. Alright, wait, where's my... Okay, there it is. And then I'm gonna put food, of course. Because we really need food, like some very useful way. I mean, I'm just gonna use the wheat for the bread and tomato, probably the tomato sauce, I guess. Yeah, that means no more selling crops. But I will just use the ketchup tomato for now. Dang, that's a lot of tomatoes. Hey, let's go get some potatoes. Leave me alone, cow. I got no wheat for you right now, alright? Okay, I can only get 14. Oh, I already got level 5 like in seconds. Okay. No, not the potato. What? Dude, why did I do that, bro? Like, I'm pretty... What? Bro, I just don't know. Why did I did that? I just put my potato there. Bro. I don't understand. I don't know why did I did that, bro. It's like an accident. Well, yeah. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me... After like that, I'm gonna go pick up my bread. And then I should, of course, make some tomato sauce again. Look how many tomatoes I have, bro. That's like more tomatoes than I have in ketchup. First and foremost, let's sell something for him. Like, I mean, I only have 2, so I get 14, and I got some berries. I got some apples. Bro, I'm so lagging. Wow, that's so many tomato sauce, bro. Anyways, do I got... What else do I got? Oh, I got baked potato. Oh, wait, I got baked potato. I was about to eat it, but then I realized you could just get cash. But no, that one's too less. But at least I got a game anyways. Wait, let me get some wheat, tomato. Oh, I got an apple. Yep, yeah. So yeah, that's all for today's Roblox video. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll probably do a part 2 very soon, of course. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, now peace, guys.